Want to learn how you can make money from other people's birthdays? If you're interested, then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube video, where in today's video, I'm going to show you some secret ninja hacks that you can easily use for your online business, Shopify business, or even local business to make more money from people's birthdays. Now, before we actually begin, I have a huge announcement to make. Today, as you're watching this, it is actually my birthday. So that's why I recorded this birthday strategy for every single one of you as a gift to all those of you that are watching and have been following me on YouTube. So if you can actually do me a favor by giving me a birthday gift by simply smashing the like button, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and hitting that notification bell, then that's going to be the best gift that I'm going to receive from you. So with that being said, let me actually go a little bit deeper into this birthday strategy. So first thing first, when it comes to birthdays, people spend a fortune on themselves and even on other people to actually buy gifts, go out for dinner, and simply pamper themselves. During this week, oftentimes people actually spend a lot more money than they normally do. It is the best time for businesses like you to actually get in front of them and simply make more money with whatever you have to sell. And the following strategies that I'm going to actually share with you works for dropshipping businesses, it works for affiliate marketing, it simply works for local businesses, and even if you are a service provider. And best of all, especially if you own a restaurant or a spa boutique, this is going to work extremely well for your business. So in this video, I'm going to actually cover two parts. The first, I'm going to share with you the strategies that you can use. The second is simply how you can use this strategy through Facebook ads. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find the targeting to specifically target those people that have an upcoming birthday. So with that being said, let's dive right in. Birthday strategy number one is to simply craft a birthday offer. Now, when it comes to a birthday offer, you want to actually have personalization and to simply, not congratulate, but to simply welcome or wish your customers or your prospects happy birthday first. Because when they're scrolling through Facebook and they see an ad that is simply wishing them on their birthday, guess what? It catches their attention right away. And in fact, during birthdays, you want to give a specific offer to the birthday boy and to the birthday girl at the same time to really get them to go to your business to simply spend money and buy the special birthday offers. In fact, a lot of companies around the world, from local business to large corporations, whenever there's a birthday coming up, they always offer coupons to simply just say giving back and to really pamper themselves with a discount on the brands that they follow. So with that, you can actually do the same. All you have to do is craft a specific birthday offering that you can actually target to those that have an upcoming birthday and actually get them to simply come to your business or go to your online store to take advantage of the offer. Now, if you own a restaurant business, this is going to be perfect because what you can actually do is to create a birthday offer and say to simply celebrate their birthday at your restaurant and they actually get a free meal. Because let's be honest, when it comes to birthdays, people don't go to birthday dinners themselves. They're going to invite their friends, they're going to invite their family. So yes, you are giving away a free meal, but the average bill will actually come out to be a couple $100. So you will always be profitable. And the best part is, because they feel that they are getting a VIP experience and actually taking advantage of a birthday offer, oftentimes they're actually going to come and buy from you or simply dine at your restaurant. Now, birthday strategy number 2 is to really attach the emotion and call out people with their birthdays. So if you take a look at this ad over here, or I should say this t-shirt over here, you can actually see that this shirt simply has the word July on it. Now, because my birthday is in July, and I see an ad that actually talks specifically, or a product that specifically talk about how awesome people are that are born in the month of July, guess what? It really catches my attention, and I'm super proud to basically be born in July at the same time. And guess what? You don't just do this for July. You can do this for August, September, October, November, December, etc., etc., etc. So by simply having personalization, by taking advantage of birthdays, it can actually spit up a lot of additional revenue and sales for your business. Now, birthday strategy number 3 is to reward your customers. What you can actually do is very simple. All you have to do is simply upload an entire email list of all your customers onto Facebook, and then you simply target them based on their birthdays. So that all you really have to do is simply having repeated customers coming back to buy from you because they feel that you are cherishing the relationship that you have with them. But they don't know it's actually just an ad. So imagine if you actually bought something from your favorite brand, let's say Apple Store. Now, what happens during your birthday is that you'll actually see an ad from Apple wishing you a birthday and wishing you a happy birthday, and then actually getting you an additional 10 or 15% discount because of your birthday as a gift. By doing so, most likely you are going to take advantage of that discount and coupon. So what you wanted to do is simply just wish your customers happy birthday by simply creating an ad to show to the customers that have an upcoming birthday. And that way, you don't even have to worry about frequency because there's going to be new customers that you're going to upload oftentimes. And also, they're not going to actually have the same birthday every single day. It's going to be new people seeing your ad over and over and over again. Now, the last strategy is also super important. Birthday strategy number 4 is to simply advertise to people that has a friend with an upcoming birthday. So essentially, people often buy gifts for their friends for their upcoming birthday. Well, guess what? Create an ad to sell physical products or maybe digital products and basically say that, hey, you have an upcoming friend's birthday, why don't you consider buying this as a gift? Then once again, it actually solves a big problem because a lot of people don't know what they should be buying as a birthday present to their friends, and all you're doing is basically getting in front of them since that they're gonna actually buy anyways, they're gonna actually buy it from you instead of other people. So these are the top 4 strategies that you can actually take advantage of for birthday strategies. But you might be wondering, well, Fred, how do I actually target these upcoming birthdays on Facebook? Well, guess what? Let's head over to my computer right now and I'll show you exactly where to click. All right, so welcome back to my computer right now. So as you see, this is a brand new campaign that we are creating inside Facebook. So under the campaign level, again, you can choose campaign budget optimization or ABO if you like. Then you click on next. Now, where you actually do the targeting when it comes to birthdays, you want to actually scroll down all the way to simply detail targeting, click on edit, and then on here, when you simply go browse, you can simply head over to behaviors. When you're under behaviors and you simply scroll down, oh sorry, my bad, it's actually demographic. Then you want to go after life events and you'll see birthday. So you actually you can go after specifically birthday month. So for strategy number 2, I talked about this, you can actually use the birthday month. Now for upcoming birthday, you want to actually use this tab over here. And it will only go after people that have a birthday within 1 week time. All right, so again, for strategy number 1, strategy number 3, you want to simply use the upcoming birthday. Now, for simply strategy number 4, having a birthday coming up for their friend or for their boyfriend, girlfriend, or whatsoever, you can actually use friends of. And you can see there's basically friends of men with a birthday in 0 to 7 days, friends of men with a birthday in 7 to 30 days. Then obviously you can actually have some male predominant products that can be positioned as a gift to actually sell. Or if it's actually for girls, then you can actually go like flowers, teddy bears, like all those other things. Or if there's a friend in general, in a month or in a week, you can actually target them from there. So let me tell you, with the birthdays targeting, it's actually a super powerful targeting strategy that you should definitely have in place. All right, there you have it. Listen, when you combine the strategies that I shared with you in this video and actually implementing them, you're gonna actually generate a lot more sales and also have another marketing tactic in place for your business. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. And for those of you that are wishing me a happy birthday right down below, I will personally reply you and thank you. And again, thank you everyone for your support in the past several years. So with that being said, I look forward on seeing you guys in my next video. Bye now.